Hello everyone, this is Radka again, and this time I have invited Nadezda Firsova, who is the head of the team of academic support at the Czech National Library of Technology. And the reason why I invited Nadezda is simple. Nadezda and her team have just finished organizing of this year's doctoral summer school, which is going to take part in Prague at the beginning of September. And the reason why Nadezda is here is because I wanted to ask her a couple of questions. So hello, Nadezda.
Hello, Radka, and welcome everyone.
Thank you very much for coming. So Nadezda, so what is the main focus of this year's doctoral summer school?
The main focus of the NTK Doctoral Summer School is to give early career researchers a chance to enhance their transferable skills through hand-on workshops and networking. And when we design the program of this year, we look for topic that are really practical and valuable for doctoral candidates. To be honest, I'm really excited about this year program because it's not just based on what they think researchers need. Actually, we asked last year's participants for their feedback and suggestions, and many of their ideas have shaped this year's program.
Thanks a lot. So you already answered one of my questions. The second question I wanted to ask you was, what is unique about this year's summer school?
I think our unique advantage, not only this year, but generally our NTK Doctoral Summer School lies in the broader context of our program. It's open to everyone, regardless of the institution, stage of the PhD study or field of research. What's more, participants have an excellent opportunity to network with peers across the Czech Republic. And from my side, it's a great chance to step outside from your own bubble and see how things are done elsewhere, of course. But generally, I think the great thing about our doctoral summer school is topics we prepare it for this year and great instructors, of course.
Okay, you just mentioned it. Great instructors. So who are your keynote speakers?
We will start with a keynote session with Jan Urban, who is the head of the Technology Transfer and Fundraising Office at CTU Prague. And he will talk about more like how to move beyond the typical academic mindset and start thinking outside the box toward commercialization and real business. And I'm really excited about this topic. Then we will have free practical hand-on workshops. Uh, it will be in a groups up to 20 people, so it's a really practical things. And the first one will be about AI for researchers with Michaela Ligertova from UAP. The second one will be about writing for publication. It's about the strategies for successful in your scholarly publication, and it will be with Professor Dana Driscoll from Indiana University of Pennsylvania and Alena Kashparkova from VŠBTUR. And last not least, time management. Really important topic. Time management for academia, tips and tools for productivity with Jan Fronik.
Okay, sounds really good. So where and when?
Doctoral Summer School will be the 2nd and the 3rd of September in NTK in Prague. Whole
Okay.
2 days of workshops, lectures and networking and presentation, and of course, some social activities.
Is it for free or do I have to pay something?
We have participation fee. It's 1,000 crowns, not so big.
Okay, so it's something like 35 euros, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And so when is the deadline to apply for registration?
The registration is open till May 31.
Mhm.
Uh, so really, the number of seats are really limited. So do not
Mhm.
hesitate to check out our webpage and fill in the form because it's really a very popular event
Uh-huh.
throughout the doctoral candidate community in Czech Republic. So
Right.
don't think too long.
Well, Nadia, I'm certainly not going to hesitate, particularly because I was a lecturer a year ago, and this year you invited me to become a moderator for this event. So I'm really looking forward to meeting all the people who are going to register. And yeah, so it's the 2nd and 3rd of September 2025, Czech National Library of Technology in Prague. And we are all, me, Nadia, and her team, and all the lecturers are looking forward to welcoming you there.